Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to another episode of How I Done It. Today, we're going to talk about how to patch a hole in an inflatable swimming pool. This method also works for any inflatable, such as your floating rafts, air mattresses, etc. So, the thing I use is a nice vinyl repair kit. It comes with the adhesive, and it comes with the vinyl patch. So to start, you just have to know what size your hole is so you can cut out a piece of vinyl. You're going to get a nice square piece of vinyl and you're going to round the corners to make it somewhat of a circle. And I typically like to wear gloves when I'm working with this kind of adhesive. So there we go, a nice round circle. You're going to use an alcohol swab, which we're going to use to clean the area before we put the patch on. That allows for a good seal. I also use it to hold the patch in place so I don't get the adhesive on my fingers. Just a little trick I learned. So we'll put a nice glob of the adhesive right in the center of the patch, and that should be enough adhesive that when we push down on the swimming pool, the adhesive will go all the way through the patch. So there we have some adhesive on our patch, and we can head to the pool. So this is our swimming pool that has an air leak. Summer Waves quick set inflatable. This is a 15-foot circular pool, and I've had a lot of leaks. Let's just see, here's some old patches from the beginning of the summer, and they've held up well throughout the whole summer. All right, so air leaks are typically very small. Let's see. There we are. It's a little tiny seam. So we'll cut away for a second, and all I'm going to do is clean the area with alcohol swab and then apply the patch. Okay, so I have the patch in place. I'm just holding the alcohol swab over top of it so that it stays in place. As you can see, if I lift the swab up too early, the patch comes off. So I'm just going to hold pressure there for probably about 60 seconds or so, and then slowly peel away the alcohol swab, which will leave the patch intact, and it should be completely repaired. You just want to make sure we rounded this off so we don't have any sharp corners, but the patch will try to peel itself back up for the first 60 seconds until the adhesive is nice and tacky. So you just want to make sure you have even pressure across the patch, and that whenever you remove your hand completely, the patch stays, the whole circle stays in contact with your inflatable surface. So you can see we have a corner there that was kind of lifting off. So we'll just hold it down there a little bit longer. And that seems to be fully attached. So there you have it. That's how you patch an inflatable, particularly an inflatable quick set swimming pool. This has been another episode of How I Done It. Take care and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.